Hi, my name is Stephanie Pollock, and I am a local realtor here in Studio City with Compass. I have a market update for you, as well as want to talk to you about a community event that's happening on Saturday, June 4th. I have become best buds with the staple gun, getting these flyers out and into the neighborhood to make sure people were aware, as well as doing it social media on it. This is happening June 4th from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. If you'd like to participate by having your own garage sale, you just have to sign up and we'll add your address and your garage sale to the map. And if you'd like to go shopping, I know many of the sellers are going to be taking not only cash, but Zelle and Venmo this year as well. So lots of fun to be had. It's a wonderful time of year to get the neighbors together and create a community event. So I'm really happy that I'm able to do that for the community. I wanted to talk a little bit about the market. I recently had a sale in Studio City where it sold over asking by $435,000. Wow. It's still a hot market, and there is a lot of desire for these buyers to find something before the interest rates rise. So if it's something you're thinking about selling and making a move, I'd be very honored to let you know how I get top dollar for my clients, including with the photography and staging, to make sure that the negotiations are not just one part of the aspect, but really about getting people to want to come to the open house and to make private appointments to see the property. So let me know, and I'm happy to show you how my marketing is different. The other thing I'd like to talk to you about is we have seen a slight uptick in inventory, meaning more homes on the market. However, not the shift that a lot of the news articles are talking about. In our local market, we're seeing mostly kind of the same inventory, to be honest. The real shift is on how many offers that people are getting on their homes. So for example, whereas before we might see 20 to 30 offers on a home, some homes are getting about 3 to 5, maybe 10, but really it's a major shift. I have one other thing I'd like to share with you guys today. I have a new listing in Studio City. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo in a prime location, just blocks away from the shopping at this new Swartzens Lodge. So if you know anyone who's looking for a lease, let me know, and I'm happy to schedule a private tour of that as well. Have a great day. I hope I see you guys on Saturday, and I think I'm done with the staple for at least a couple weeks, because up next we're going to be celebrating 4th of July, and it's going to be the 50th anniversary of our local parade and block party. So stay tuned.